Hello, my name is Kaylee Law, and this presentation is over my lab assignment, the overview of the skeletal system. The purpose and learning objectives were to describe the major functions of the skeletal system, identify the different bone shapes found in the human skeleton, and examples of where each type is located, discuss the microscopic and macroscopic structural characteristics of bone, and explain how these characteristics contribute to overall bone function and integrity, explain the process of bone growth and bone remodeling, and to describe the supporting tissues of the skeletal system. So the question of the lab, the main question that I kind of came up with was, what is the purpose behind the physical and histological structure of the skeletal system, and how do these findings benefit us as human beings for research and for just basic knowledge? And I gave two links to journal articles that you can find there that are very high in knowledge and really great information. So the knowledge I gained from this lab, I learned all about the different kinds of bone structures and their functions within the human body. From the shapes of bones to their functions and articulations throughout the body, I discovered that we are much more delicately created than to what meets the eye, obviously under the skin. It's incredible. So by looking at the varieties of bone through the whole science V-scope, all the different slides that we looked at, compact bone and all that, I was able to apply the histology of these bones behind all the different terms that I learned, because I'm a visual learner. So when I actually saw these slides, I was able to say, oh, okay, that's the spongy bone, that's the compact bone, these are the different kinds of cells. So the biblical perspective that I came up with, I just think that it is incredible that we are so delicately and wonderfully made. Without our fine structure of bones, we would literally have no ability to move, voluntarily at least. Meaning that we would have no purpose, just staying still throughout our lives. God intended us for us to move our feet and to go and to spread His word and to travel and to become more knowledgeable with every step we took. We must keep our bodies happy and healthy, especially our bones, for His sake, and live long to be able to speak of God to all we know wherever we go and for as long as possible. So yeah, that is my presentation, and I very much enjoyed this lab class, so thank you.